and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys, to day 2 of Pursemas. Guys, I'm so sorry my voice sounds like this. I'm coming down with something, and of course it happens right when I'm filming Pursemas. I think I'm gonna try to just make this video as quick as possible and as painless as possible. But guys, I think you're gonna love it because it's an unboxing, and it's gonna be a little interesting because I'm gonna have this bag already inserted in my Coach handbag collection video, which you guys will have already seen on day 1 of Pursemas. So don't get confused, but I was able to slip the bag in there. But this is the official unboxing of this sold out piece. Okay, guys, here's the huge box. I can't wait to show you guys. This bag is definitely a bag that I got influenced to buy, and I don't want to say I got 100% influenced. I'm gonna go ahead and blame La Vida with Kim and Dee Bean for their awesome collaboration on this bag unboxing. So I'm sure you guys already can tell from that little detail that I just shared. But guys, they pushed me over the edge with this bag. I was already looking into it, and then I decided against it because I was buying too many bags. But I said, you know what? Let me go with what my heart wants. So guys, here we are. Of course, I had to get her gift wrapped. Here she is, guys, nice and gift wrapped. I just love this. Oh my God, I was so lucky enough to get a factory wrapped bag. Oh my God, guys. Do you see what I see? Oh my God, oh my God. Wow, you guys. This is the Coach Denim Tabby. I'm so happy. Let's properly unwrap her. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You guys. Oh my God. Perfect. She is perfect, you guys. Oh my God. I made the right call on this. With the help of those lovely ladies I mentioned, this bag is so sparkly. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Wow. I am definitely keeping this bad boy. Like, there's pretty much no question. The minute I opened it and I saw the color of the crystals and then against the bag color, Kim was right. The color of this denim is perfect for the crystals on here. And I think online they call this like a vintage, they consider this like a vintage styled crystal. And oh my God. Somebody mentioned that they're not really, oh yeah, they're kind of like stitched on, but I did see in the description somewhere that these were hand stitched on. So it's not like they're particularly loose, but they're not like fastened all the way like 360. This is beautiful, guys. I'm almost speechless. I really love the way this looks. Wow. What a great contrast. This is such a beautiful design. Oh my God, I can't wait to get into this. I'm gonna cut this strap off. I'm definitely keeping this. She looks great. She looks great. Great. Okay, the next strap is the crossbody strap. It's obviously a lot thicker. It has the same like nice buckle that all the tabbies have. And this is all vachetta. Look at that blue on the inside. The lining is a really nice color. Wow. Look at that. It's a lot stiffer on the corners to hold its shape, I think. But on the sides, in the middle, it flops down. It's very soft. Wow, I am so obsessed with this. Look at that. I love that lining. It really is pretty floppy, but I love it. It's so well done. Like, it's very light. It's very similar to like the new soft tabbies that they came out with as part of the same drop, but like this is really special. I really like that they didn't make this too rigid. This is nice. Look at this snap pocket here, story patch, and then it has that front flap here. You could actually fit stuff in here. Wow. I'm loving, loving, loving this. What is it called? Crystal Denim Tabby. And they actually call it silver. Well, that's the code. And it was $5.50. I would say it's worth it. I'll be honest. I know a lot of people have an issue paying like leather prices for denim, but guys, this is really well done. The embellishing on this is well done. It's not too, so my concern, I think when I first saw it was like, dude, that's a little too Western for me, but it really isn't. Like, depending on how you dress her up, depending on how you wear her, I feel like this is just another crystal bag. Like, if you're into crystals, if you're into bling, if you're into like those special pieces and you don't have an issue working them into your casual like wardrobe, this is no different, I feel like, because that's how I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna be wearing this casually. I cannot wait to wear her. It's so cool. I love it. Super, super cool. Some people did mention that they didn't like the vintage antique look of the crystal because it looks dirty, but like, guys, it's not that. It doesn't look like that to me. It just looks like speckles. And it looks like a design, you know? So, all right, guys, I'm not gonna talk your ear off with my voice sounding like this, but I definitely am going to do a what's in my bag and a little bit of a deeper dive. I love how they always have these tags on here and it tells you how sustainable Coach is in terms of making their bags. They even say like the cotton that they use to make this denim is sourced from a farm that uses regenerative agricultural practices. You know what I mean? It's a feel-good bag. It is. I do not think it's too Western at all. Like, I'm definitely going to be rocking this just like any other blinged out bag. Super excited, guys. Thank you, La Vida with Kim and Dee Bean, for influencing me in the best possible way. I loved their video. They're so, so cute and so fun to watch. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. This is the second day of Pursemas, and we have a lot more purse content and accessories content coming at you for the month of December up until Christmas, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.